Hey everybody, today I'm packing, this is Robbie from Soapy Fluffs. Today I'm packing an order. This is an order for 𝘓𝘧𝘧𝘪𝘯𝘬𝘴. He just put an order in with me, and this is one of our YouTubers. I hope you give him a great follow. He's gonna go ahead and try out our soaps. I'm so excited for it. So we start with our regular shipping box. We have our blue tissue paper, which we will first bend the box out. And then, when we do that, we basically put our blue tissue paper in. This is all recycled blue tissue paper. We will put this in like this. Make sure it's really nice and pretty. We have all natural recycled shreds, as you can see here, right there. The shred goes in. This is a packing shred again. Anything we get from our suppliers, we have a shredder. We shred up all our purpose paper, so because we like to recycle. All right, we have 2 bars today going in. We have our Pride soap, which is called 𝘈𝘧𝘧𝘪𝘭𝘪𝘢𝘵. Trying to get you close up there. Beautiful. And then that's going to go in there. And then our awesome energy bar, which is made of all natural green kaolin clay and peppermint and lemon oil. So those are going to go in there. I also have a sample bar of Snuggle. We give sample sticks and bars to our customers. So that is going in. There it is, all snuggled up. As well as I wanted them to try our other sticks since they're going to give a review, so I went ahead and give them our exotics and our regulars. You can request these. They're just little tiny sample sticks. These are going in. And then, because we're trying stuff new, I'm going to send in a free sample of our awesome paw pad lotion bars. I'll show you what these look like. Here's one that's unwrapped. We'll just unwrap it here on you. And there we go. These are awesome lotion bars. Just rub them on your hand. They're all natural with beeswax, mango butter, and grapeseed oil. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and pick you up so you can take a look in there. Isn't that beautiful? Alright. Look at that. So there's our Pride bar, our free samples. I'm going to fill it up with a little bit more of our natural fill. So let's go ahead and cover that up so the stuff doesn't bounce around. We will fold this over very softly and tuck it in. Make sure nothing moves. And then on top of that, I'm going to fold this up and put a sticker. So let's do that real quick. I'm going to give it a nice fold over on both sides. And it gets the signature Soapy Fluffs circle. This is Robbie. Thank you for packing an order. We are in production. Look at that, everybody. These are our black bars along with our new fragrance bars, and we are just rolling. Coming around the corner soon is our awesome, as you see it, those are wax melts. Y'all have a great day, and I hope you guys enjoy. Go out and do something great for our community.